Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use folders. Folders are a great way to organize content on the site and can be added to your class for easy lesson planning. So let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and click Folders on the left-hand side. Here you will see all of the folders that you have already created or saved. If you have not yet created a folder, you can create one by clicking New Folder, or you can check out the help doc called How to Create Folders. On the Folders page, you'll see 2 or 3 tabs depending on your account. If you are a part of an organization account, you'll see My Folders, Shared With Me, and Ellii folders. If you are an individual subscriber, you'll only see My Folders and Ellii folders. Under the My Folders tab is where you'll find the folders you've created and saved. You can sort them alphabetically, reverse alphabetically, or by the default called My Order. My Order is the order you create. You can drag and drop the folders in the order you'd like to view them, which then becomes the default My Order. If you are connected to an organization subscription, you'll see the Shared With Me tab. This is where you find the folders that other teachers a part of your organization subscription have shared with you. Under the Ellii Folders tab is where you'll find pre-made folders created by the publishing team. If you see a folder that piques your interest under this tab, you can click the 3 dots to the right and click Copy to My Folders. Back under the My Folders tab, to the right, you can find more options for your folder. If you click the 3 dots, you can share the folder if you are a part of an organization subscription. Clicking Pin to Class allows you to pin the folder to your class so that you can easily access the content without having to come to your folders page each time. Click Pin to Class, choose the class, and then click the blue Pin button. You will then find this folder in the content drawer of your lesson planner. Clicking Edit Details allows you to change the name of the folder and edit or add a description. And then lastly, Delete allows you to delete the folder. Content from the site can be added to your folder by looking out for the folder icon. On the lesson, you'll see it in the top right corner. Click this button, choose a folder, and then click Save. You can also save courses by clicking the folder icon in the description, as well as videos and blog posts. To view the content in your folders, you can click everything at the top and click Folders on the left-hand side. Click the title for your folder and browse the content. You can sort the content again by your own default order called My Order, alphabetically or reverse alphabetically. You can click and drag and drop the items to change the order. To the right, you can click on the 3 dots to save a lesson or a resource to another folder. You can also remove it from the folder, and you can add any material to your class by clicking Add to Class. In the top right, you have more options by clicking the 3 dots, and you can pin this folder to your class by clicking Pin to Class. To find your pinned folders, click everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. Click the title of your class. In the bottom left corner is your content drawer. This is where you find your pinned folders. Click Content Drawer, and then click Folders at the top. Here you'll see your pinned folders. You can click into any folder, check off any material you'd like to add to the class, choose a location, and then click the Apply button. You'll then see the material has been added to your lesson planner. Another great additional feature of folders is the Export to Folder feature. This allows you to export materials from a class into a folder so that you can access it for a future classroom. So say you like the materials that you use for a specific class, you can save all of those materials to a folder so that when you teach that class again, you can use the exact same materials or reference them for your new students. Click the Save to Folder button and choose which sections you'd like to save to the folder. You can change the name of the folder if you would like and add a description. Once you're set, click Export. You'll then find this folder on your Folders page, and it will include all of the content you have added to this class. Please note your students' results are not exported to the folder. Only the content that you've added to your lesson planner is exported. That's it for this video on how to use folders. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.